Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login 8. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to fix all iPhone bugs. For that, make sure to watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. First of all, tap open your settings. In the settings page, you'll be able to see airplane mode in the first option. Toggle on and toggle off that option. Doing this will reconnect your network from your iPhone. This will fix most of the problem. If you're having problem with your mobile application, then go back to your home screen and uninstall the application to reinstall it back from the App Store. That will fix any app if there is any problem in the app. I'm deleting my Pinterest app and I will reinstall it again from the App Store. In the third option, go back to your home screen and tap on Settings. In the Settings page, scroll down until you find General. After you find General, tap on it. Tapping on it will lead you to the General Settings page and scroll down in this page until you reach the bottom. In the bottom of the page, you will see Shutdown option. Tap on it. Shut down the iPhone and turn it on again. This will help you reconnect your network and all the other things. In the last option, go back to your general settings page and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone and the second last option. Tapping on that will redirect you to a page something like this where you can see reset in the second last option. Tap on it. After that, a menu like this will pop up and you can see various options like reset network settings, delete all eSIM, reset keyboard dictionary, home screen layout, and reset location and privacy. Tap on any option you're having problem in. If you're having problem in everything, tap on reset all settings in the first option. Doing that will fix all the problems on your iPhone. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.